Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have access and a backup ready. Start by opening the server resource that handles player death. Once done, scan client-side scripts for keywords like screen, kill, FX, or death to find the effect call. You'll see functions that trigger a screen overlay, sound, or camera shake. Make small edits, comment out the trigger, or change a Boolean to false. Make sure to save and keep the backup so you can revert if the wrong file was changed. Now modify the specific lines that actually run the effect. You might see trigger event, screen, kill, or do screen fade and slash out, shake gameplay cam, set time cycle modifier. Replace calls with comments or wrap them in an if false then. End check so they never execute. Once edited, restart the resource using restart resource name in the server console and join as a test player to confirm the screen no longer flashes or shakes. Finish by deploying your edited resource to the live server and performing a full server restart. Then test with several players to ensure consistency. If you still see kill effects, run a targeted search across all resources for native functions like shake gameplay cam or set time cycle modifier, because some effects are duplicated elsewhere. If things go wrong, enable verbose logging and reproduce the issue. Logs will reveal which script fired the effect. You can then revert or patch that specific file without impacting other systems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.